So now I'm seeing if my Capresso Milk Frother is going to actually make some fluffy eggs. I put 2 eggs and an egg white, and I set it on the high setting, so we'll see. So I've gotten something, it looks like regular scrambled eggs. I thought I might get some sort of molecular gastronomy, sort of souffles type of things. I had to do it like about 3 times and then stir. So basically it's not so different than you'd get if you were making scrambled eggs in a frying pan. The only thing is this is compact, like if you're traveling and you want to bring something to heat up coffee, or you can probably do soups in this. I'm not sure if the company recommends it, but it is small and compact, and it's handy if you're an allergy-free or gluten-free traveler. You know, you need to sometimes do some of your own cooking. Have a good day.